We are learning more about the misconduct allegations St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner is facing.
Fox 2's Zara Barker is live outside her office tonight to break down the serious allegations and her response. Zara.
We got our hands on a 73-page court filing that could cost Kim Gardner her law license. Wednesday, Fox 2 obtained court records that detail misconduct allegations against St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner. J. Bradley Young with Harris Dowell, Fisher & Young explained why these charges were filed against Gardner, all surrounding the Eric Greitens investigation.
Kim Gardner's chief investigator, William Tisby, took notes during his interviews of the woman who accused Eric Greitens of misconduct. And the prosecution was required to turn over all of those notes. But Kim Gardner consistently, both to the court and to the Office of Disciplinary Counsel, stated that she did not have any notes, she wasn't aware of any notes, and that constitutes an ethical violation under Missouri law because there is video, so these charges are substantial.
Among the allegations are Gardner's concealment and misrepresentations during her investigation into former Missouri Governor Eric Greitens. The filing lists more than 50 rule violations, including alleged false statements and failure to disclose evidence on multiple occasions in March and April of 2018. The allegations say Gardner also misrepresented and concealed facts from her own colleagues.
I haven't been able to uncover any situation in Missouri where a circuit attorney or a prosecuting attorney has been accused of this level of misconduct in the past recent history here in Missouri.
Gardner responded to the court action against her through counsel, who wrote, quote, Gardner recently won re-election with an overwhelming majority of the voters. This information is another attempt by Ms. Gardner's political enemies, largely from outside St. Louis, to remove Ms. Gardner and thwart the systemic reform she champions. Meanwhile, Young says the Missouri Supreme Court will take over after the investigation's completed.
The Missouri Supreme Court would have the option to either sanction Ms. Gardner, they could also suspend her bar license, they could revoke her bar license, or if they found that Kim Gardner did not engage in any ethical misconduct, the charges could be dismissed.
And a hearing date has not yet been set, but Fox 2 will be there when this goes to court. Live from downtown St. Louis, Zara Barker, Fox 2 News.